Hi guys, we're going to do a fire alarm tour of the day's end. We have this old Gamewell pole from, New Age Server Alarms High School. And we have a Wheelock 7000 T-Series mounted on a backplate. Look at that camera up there, it's tiny. This is an older building, so they got older systems. Hotel, smoke alarm here, power lights, a strobe that I've never seen before in my life. Huh. Wheelock 7002 and another Gamewell pole over there. Got sprinkler heads around here. Smoke detector out of which I don't know what. We have Coca-Cola Machines here. This isn't part of the tour, but I'm just showing you. Wheelock 7000 T Series, Gamewell pole station, circle pole. Alright, here's the control valve for stuff. That's the best apple juice I've ever had. We're gonna go to floor number 2. Oh, dang. There's an Interstate 95 over there. Junction box? No, that could be a junction box, I don't know. Open the door with a juice. Ooh, that's a new exit sign. That's cool looking. The lights are in there somewhere. Another Gamewell. Ooh. Smaller fire extinguisher in the box. Wheelock 7000 T. Oh god, it smells like smoke in here. It smells so bad. Another Wheelock alarm. Another smoke detector. Bright glass for just a normal glass. And an FACP inside. Alright, I don't see one. It's probably behind one of those doors over there. What's that noise? Getting up to the 3rd floor again. Look at this. What do we have here? Alright. Wait just a minute. Wait a minute. That is a pool on the 3rd deck. Huh. Oh wait, bathroom in here. Got this exhaust fan. But apparently it ain't working. Turn that thing away. Electrical panel inside. I'm gonna go to the exit stairs. To the next floor. Oh shit, I almost fell down. This is fun. Supposedly I'm waiting. Oh great, I wonder if people jump off of here into that pool. I hope not. Disgusting. This one's slightly higher end. The doors here are much nicer. Now they have a Firelight BZ12. Same smoke alarm. And same Wheelock 7000 2T. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I got a surprise for you. Alright, they replaced one of the alarms here. It's your job to figure out which alarm it is. It's a Spectre Alert. Holy crap, I bet that sounds so cool standing out from all these. It's a Spectre Alert Classic mounted on a trim plate. Just like what New 8 Server Alarm had in his System Test 21 video. I think maybe it was 22, I don't know. Alright. Another Wheelock 7000 T series. I don't even think I have to point them out because you know what they are by now. Another Gamewell pole. This is a nice fire alarm tour. I should have made a fire alarm tour of the St. Simon's Island hotel I went to. They had like Gentex alarms, I think. Like Gentex GOS's or something. Alright, a Firelight BZ12. Uh-oh. That needs to get taken care of. Uh-oh, looks like we got another cool surprise for you guys. A Spectre Alert Advance. Rated at 15 candela, do that sticker, and it's mounted on a trim plate. Another smoke detector here. This one's kind of been updated. Oh, what do we have here? We have a Wheelock MT also on a trim plate. Okay, every alarm in here is mounted on a trim plate for some reason. I guess it's because of the wall. How they had to mount them or something. Oh, another Wheelock 7002T. Alright, we're going to get to one more floor. We're going to have some good surprises. Oh, BZ12 over there. In case you didn't catch it. I'd jump in that pool if I wanted to. Let's see if I can see the Tri Rail line from here. Tri Rail line's like somewhere behind those trees and building over there. I don't hear any trains. I don't hear any trains or see any trains. I think that's a train I'm hearing. Oh no. Maybe. Hopefully not. Probably just at the bridge. Bunch of dumbasses are caught up with there. Alright, number 6. No roof access. Oh, we still got 2 more floors in this. Alright guys, another Gamewell pole. A Wheelock 7000T that's not in alignment. A Spectre Alert Advance. And what the heck is this? A Faraday horn. Doesn't say. Faraday 5506 horn with a light plate with just a light attached to it, and it's on trim plate. That's interesting. They have a pretty good amount of mechanical horns on here. Another Gamewell pole station. This is the longest fire alarm tour I've ever had to do. Holy crap. Hope you guys ain't jealous. Roof access. No roof access. We're gonna look for some roof access pretty soon. Gamewell in the exit centers. Alright. Wow, look at that. Roof access. So you even saw the Hollywood, Florida water tower. Oh, look at this. Remote strobe, which I don't know what brand that is or what model that is. Looks like we got a surprise for you guys. We got a Spectre Alert Advance up here. The elevator. Look, there's me. Hi, me. And then another Wheelock alarm. Water break. Dang it, that don't even work. Any fire alarms in the bathroom? No, there's none in the bathroom. There's none in this one, there's probably none in the other one. Alright, roof exit. Ain't getting on there. The Hollywood, Florida water tower. I'm in the real. Dang, I want to see some Tri-Rail trains. Tri-Rail and FEC. Maybe CSX and Amtrak also. Because they go way down south also. Here's the gym. And finally, this thing is done. Ha!